Which question was going on?
The first stage, fourth question
First
over.
part was over.
I think fourth question I completed.
Yes, sir.
Fourth completed na?
Fifth question, first part also.
Fifth first part, no, I did not complete fifth first part. Who is saying?
So satellite question is over.
Yesterday you asked.
Satellite question, fourth question, sixth part. Fourth is over. That's why I am saying fourth is over. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fifth. Question number fifth. Fifth question. Rewrite the following sets in the indicated notation. So fifth question, first part. Set is given -2, -4, -6, -8. -2, -4, -6, -8. A. In A part, you have to write word form. So what will you write in words?
The set of negative, even negative numbers greater than -8
Greater
up to
than
-8
or less
Minus
than,
9.
greater than
to
-9 is
Greater than -9.
greater than -9. The set of even negative numbers greater than -9. Getting, Madhav?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can write the set of negative even numbers the set of negative even numbers -9. P part in P part set builder notation. In set builder form you have to write x such that this statement you can write x is a negative even number and x is less than x is greater than -9. You can write like this. Or they are giving x is even. I think in answer sheet, answer is wrong. In answer sheet, answer is wrong. Why answer is wrong? Can you tell me?
Sir, they have written negative even numbers and it can be infinite.
Yes, it can be infinite. That's why this answer is wrong. So you can write x is a negative even number and x is greater than -9. X is a negative even number and x is greater than -9. So this was first part. Now it's fourth part. Even numbers between 27 and 39. even numbers between 27 and 39. Or you can write its fifth part, because fourth part is done, fourth part is saying like first part, fifth part. It is given x such that 0 is less than x is less than 1. X such that 0 is less than x is less than 1. A form, what is the A form? You have tried A form, fifth part, word, and then roster form. What is the word after the right?
The set of real numbers between integers 0 and 1.
A set of real numbers you can write set of real numbers greater than 0 and less than 1, or between you can write the set of real numbers the set of real numbers between 0 and 1. The set of real numbers between 0 and 1. The roster form. In roster form, it cannot be expressed in roster form because there are infinite numbers between 0 and 1. What happened? Anmol Sharma. Anmol Sharma, what happened? It cannot be expressed in roster form because there are infinite real numbers between 0 and 1. So you can write 8, 10, expressed in roster form because there are infinite real numbers there are infinite real numbers between 0 and 1. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, it's part you can take part 7. In seventh part, negative multiples of 3 it is given. Negative multiples of 3. In which form you have to write? In set builder form you have to write. In set builder form you can write x is that x equals minus 3n. If multiples of any numbers are given, then you have to write that number multiplied by n, and then you have to explain what is n. Okay, so n is
Natural number.
I also natural number, it is okay. I also natural numbers because if you take natural numbers,
Sir,
yes,
sir, why we are not taking n as whole numbers?
negative multiples of 3 they are giving na, so whole number if we take then 0 we will have to take, and if we multiply minus 3n by 0 then it will become 0, and 0 is neither negative nor positive.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so x is that x equals minus 3n and n belongs to natural number. Now after this its part 10 can be taken. 10th part, x is not equal to 5 and x is not equal to 5 and x is less than or equal to 10.
वीडियो आ रही है माधव?
In sentence, you have tried
sir.
x as that. X as that. X is not same statement you can write. X same statement can be written or you can write x is greater than 5, less than 10. And less than 5 also you can write because x is not equal to 5. It means that except 5, x is everything less than 10.
Sir, your
Or
video is not coming.
what?
Sir, your video is not coming.
Video.
Yes, your video not coming.
Yes, sir. Not coming.
Yes, not coming.
So what can I do in this? From my side it is okay because from my net I am teaching. From my net I am teaching. Okay, one thing I do. Today 20 are attending the class. Now it is okay.
Now it is coming. Yes, sir. Now coming.
Yes, sir, now coming.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now it is clear.
So listen carefully. X is that I was telling about this question. X is not equal to 5. So except 5, x is less than 5, x is greater than 5. But greater than 5 till 10. Because condition is there, x is less than equal to 10. So 5 तो नहीं है x. 5 से ऊपर भी है, 5 से नीचे भी है. So 5 से ऊपर 10 तक है और 5 से नीचे infinity तक है. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So once again,
Yes,
tell, sir.
Madhav, your voice is not coming.
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Okay. So you can write as that x is less than 5 or x is greater than 5 and less than equal to 10. Real number. X belongs to real number. Understood? After this 12th part can be seen. 12th part is there x of that x equals 3p plus 1 upon 2p minus 1. 3p plus 1 upon 2p minus 1. P belongs to whole number. P belongs to whole number and P is less than equal to 5. P is less than equal to 5. Now listen carefully. You can cross talk only have to make. You can put whole numbers equal to 5 from 0 to 5. So if you put 0, then 3 into 0 plus 1 upon 2 into 0 minus 1. So what will come? Plus 1 upon minus 1. So minus 1 will come. First element. Second element. Now you put 1. 3 into 1 plus 1, 4. 2 into 1 minus 1, 1. 4 upon 1, 4. Now you can put 2. 3 into 2 plus 1, 7. 2 into 2 minus 1, 3. So 7 upon 3. Now you can put 3. 3 into 3 plus 1, 10. 2 into 3 minus 1, 5. 10 upon 5. Now you can put 4. 4 to the 12 plus 1, 13. 8 minus 1, 7. So 13 and 1, 7. Now you can put 5. 16 upon 9. You can check the answer. Understood?
Correct answer.
Now, question number second type question related to types of sets. So, in the I am writing here. Sixth question first part. Sixth question first part. State whether each of the following sets is finite or infinite. First set, the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis.
Infinite.
Infinite set. Infinite set, correct. Because uncountable lines are there which are parallel to x-axis. Below the x-axis and above the x-axis. So you can write infinite set. Fourth part, the set of animals living on the earth.
Finite.
The set, finite set because they can be counted.
Count.
Finite set. Seventh part, the set of natural numbers less than 1 billion. The set of natural numbers.
Finite.
Yes.
Finite.
Finite, yes. Finite set. Ninth part, the set of rational numbers between 0 and 1.
Infinite.
Infinite.
Infinite set. Because there are infinite rational numbers between 0 and 1. 7. Which of the following sets are empty set? 7 question is A equals X such that X is a human being living on Mars.
Empty set.
Empty set.
Huh?
Empty set.
Empty set. Empty set. So you can write empty set. Open. D equals 0 to 1.
Not an empty set.
It is not empty set. But I think in the answer sheet they are giving fourth part empty set they are giving, but it is not empty set. And I think answer is wrong. They are writing first, second, third, fourth are empty set. They should write first, second, third, fifth are empty set. Okay. Fourth is not empty set because 0 is there. So you can write not an empty set. Not the empty set. Now you can write, are the following sets equal? Give reasons. First part can be taken. 8th question. First part. A equals 2, 3. B equals X is that X is the solution of X is that X is the solution. X is the solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. X square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Okay. So first of all, you convert set B in the Oslo form. Then you can recognize A and B are equal or not. Because if elements are same, then they will be equal. If elements are not same, then they will not be equal. So first of all, you convert set B in the Oslo form. So by solving this equation, x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0 implies that then you can solve x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. It implies that x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equals 0. X is common, x plus 3 plus 2 is common, x plus 3 equals 0. Triple line x plus 3, x plus 2 equals 0. X equals minus 2 comma minus 3. So it is coming therefore b equals minus 2 comma minus 3. So are elements same? Are the elements same?
No, sir.
Are the elements same?
No, sir.
Yes, they are not equal set. Therefore, you can write since elements of A and B since reason also you have to write A and B are not the same elements. A and B do not have the same element. Therefore, A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B. 9. Which of the following are singleton sets? So it can be written 9 is the first part. A equals x is that mod x equals 5. A equals x is that mod x equals 5 and x belongs to natural number. Listen here. Singleton set means one element should be there in the set only. Only one element should be there in the given set. Okay. But here mod x equals 5. See here. Mod x equals 5. So x will come plus minus 5. How it will come plus minus 5? I will tell you. Both the sides will make the square. X square will come 25 and x will come plus minus 5. But x belongs to natural number. But x belongs to natural number. So you will take only plus 5. You will take only plus 5. So it will be a singleton set. You can continue it is a singleton. A is a singleton set. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, in second part, other part you can do by solving them. Third, 10th question, sorry. State the value of NA. NA means cardinal number for each of the following sets. 10 question first part. A equals months of the year. A
12.
equals months of the year. So therefore, NA, how many months are there? 12.
12.
Fourth part. In fourth part, x is an even number. Even number means many even numbers are there. So cardinal number you cannot write. So you can see fourth, it is an infinite set. Therefore, cardinal number cannot be determined. So you can write A equals x z axis at even number. Since it is an infinite set. Therefore, any cannot be determined. NA cannot be determined. Now third type question related to interval. Now I will tell you intervals. 11th question. First part. How can you write an interval notation? Minus 70 is less than x is less than 0. Listen. This equation in the form of interval you can convert is equal to. First of all, you have to see if equal to sign is there. In both the equality equal to sign is there. Then you will make big bracket like this. And you will write both the numbers minus 17, 0. It means that numbers from minus 17 till 0. Getting my point or not? If equal to sign is there. Here equal to sign is not there. So you will open bracket. Minus 17, 0. This is interval notation. Because equal to sign is not there, both the numbers you have to write in a bracket. Only bracket you have to keep in the mind. Round you will put or square bracket you will put. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I am saying when you have to write in equation in interval form, so two numbers you have to write in the bracket, in round bracket or in big bracket. So which bracket will be used? I am telling to you, if in the given in equation equal to sign is there. So here equal to sign is not there. So you will put round bracket. If equal to sign is not there, if equal to sign is there, then you will put big bracket. One more example I am taking. Fourth part. In fourth part, minus 4 is less than equal to x is less than 7. You can make an x. 8 minus 4 equal to sign is there. So here,
Square bracket.
Square bracket.
but 8, 7 equal to sign is not there. So round bracket. So you can add minus 2, 7. Add minus 4, you can see how I written. Next you can write it's seventh part. In seventh part it is given x is not equal to 1. In bracket it is given x is correct, x is not equal to 1. It means that in interval notation you have to write. So 1 को छोड़ के सब कुछ है, 1 से नीचे माइनस इंफिनिटी तक, 1 से ऊपर प्लस इंफिनिटी तक. Except 1 it is everything x. So less than 1 till minus infinity, greater than 1 till plus infinity. So you can write this minus infinity from 1 union 1 comma plus infinity. Round bracket will come x infinity. X infinity is always round bracket comes. X is not equal to 1, so that's why all 1 round bracket is coming, big bracket is not coming. Next part, 9 part is same. You can write just 8 part. One, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. It cannot be written in interval notation, because for interval notation we cannot write particular numbers. We cannot write particular numbers in interval notation. So you can write for this cannot be represented using interval notation. It cannot be. Notation. Now question number 12, first part. In interval notation, you have to write number line is given, and you can see on the number line -1 x is less than equal to -1. X is less than equal to -1. In interval notation, you can write minus infinity and -1 in round bracket. But at -1. Big bracket will come because it is equal to -1. Now fourth part can be taken. In the answer sheet it is wrong. First part, add -1, big bracket will come, this big bracket. Now fourth part, x is from -1 to 3 means -1 is less than equal to x less than equal to 3. In interpolation can be done as in big bracket -1 to 3 like this. Clear? So this exercise is over, students. So tomorrow I will take the next exercise. So for today it is enough. Thank you very much. Now you can leave the class.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.